My name is
Hi,
Shreyas Raut.
myself
I have successfully
Drishalvani. I
completed
have
my data
completed
science
my
internship in Unified
internship
Mentor.
with Unified
During this
Mentor as
internship,
a
I
full stack web
learned
development
how
intern. It
Python,
was a
data
great learning
analytics,
experience.
world
I
are
got to
applied to
work on
real
the
worlds.
projects like
These tasks and projects
weather
help to
app,
increase
which
my
uses API
technical skills.
integration, or
The
student teacher
guidance
booking
from the
appointments,
Unified
which also
Mentor team
uses
was very
Firebase and
good.
Cloud
They
Firestore.
increased my
I had
confidence to build
such
the
a great
project.
time working
I
on this
thankful
project,
to
which
Unified Mentor
makes
for
my
this
knowledge
opportunity
my
and will
theoretical
definitely
knowledge worked
recommended
into the
this
practical
internship.
ones.
Students were
It
practically
improved my
industry
skills in
exposure.
HTML,
Thank you
CSS,
so much.
JavaScript, and also I happen to learn
My
new
name is
skills
Shreyas
like
Raut.
React,
I have
Node,
successfully completed my
and
data science
Firebase as
internship
well.
in Unified Mentor.
I had
During
such
this
a great
internship,
time.
I
Overall, the
learned how
mentors in
Python,
Unified
data
Mentor are so
analytics,
supportive.
world
Any doubts can
are
be
applied
solved
to
if I
real
message
worlds.
them or call
These
them in
tasks
any
and
time,
projects help to
which
increase
was
my
a great
technical
thing which
skills.
makes every
The
task
guidance
easier.
from the Unified
Thank you,
Mentor team was
Unified
very good.
Mentor, for
They
giving me this
increased my
opportunity, and I'll
confidence to
recommend to
build the
all the
project.
students to
I
gain the
thankful
work
to Unified
experience
Mentor
and the
for this
real life experience
opportunity
through
and
this.
would
Thank
definitely
you.
recommended